Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by. I'm the Poverty Princess, and today I have a home decor item for you. This is a faux wrought iron jewelry holder, jewelry organizer, and let me show you how easy it is to make it. Let's begin. So to start off, you will need one piece of the faux wrought iron fencing, and you will need to remove the clips on the side as well as the stakes on the bottom. Now these shouldn't be too hard because they are plastic. If you have a wood burner, it makes it so much easier. If not, you can use wire cutters. Just take your time and use small measured clips, and you should be able to get these bottom pieces off absolutely no problem. Once you have that done, you can paint it any color you choose or leave it dark. I'm going to go ahead and paint mine rose gold. Once the fencing has been painted, now you can go on to the next step, which is attach your hooks to hang your jewelry from. Now I am proceeding to attach my hooks, and for this I am using 3 of these round gold colored hooks. I got these in Dollar General. So I am using the tip of a knife, the very point, and I am pressing it in right here, and I will show you in a moment where exactly to start your hole at. I have it right started right here. I need to do that a little bit deeper, just a little bit deeper. Okay, there we go. And just twist it and attach it through. There you go. And one more to do, and I'm going to do that one right here. I'm trying to keep them pretty even. Same thing, using the tip of the knife, push it through the plastic, turn it a few times, start a tiny little hole, and then you just finish it by screwing the hook into the hole. And there you go. That is what it looks like with the hooks on. It looks super nice. Very nice. All that's left now is to hang it up. I use command strips to hang this jewelry organizer up. You can use either the strips or you could use the white plastic hooks to hang this from. It's completely up to you. And there you have it. A very simple, very easy jewelry organizer. And it takes roughly maybe 45 minutes to an hour to actually make, factoring in drying time for paint if you paint it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, folks, please give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you soon. Bye.